What if I told you in just 4 weeks, I can help you to get much clearer skin, glowy skin, healthier skin, fewer breakouts? Sounds impossible? Well, let's get into a 4 week challenge. The motive of this challenge is to get you your skin boosting, your skin repair, a glowing skin, and a healthier. And of course, getting you into a detox skin stage with using very minimal products, the right products, no expensive products, and at the end of 4 weeks, I promise that you will get healthier looking, clear, even skin tone, and a fresher looking, great radiant skin. Let's get on to the challenge, and I want you all to follow me with these 4 steps on these 4 weeks, and let's just track your progress post that. Here's the week by week breakdown. Let's start with the first week. The first week is all about detox and hydrate. Let's fix the root cause. Your morning routine will consist of a great gentle cleanser, followed by an antioxidant serum. Third is a great moisturizer with ceramide, 30 to 50 SPF sunscreen to protect your skin. CSMS, this is your morning routine. Night routine will consist of double cleansing so that you remove all the particulate matter with the micellar water and regular face wash. Second, hyaluronic acid or niacinamide serum. And third is a good consistent moisturizer to protect your skin. So what do we achieve with this? A hydrated skin, a well-balanced skin, lessening of the dullness of the skin, and of course smooth texture because your skin gets plumped with the moisturizer. This is week 1 where we work only on detoxing and hydrating the skin. With all the hydration done on the first week, let's go to the week 2 in which we are going to exfoliate and brighten up the skin. Well, the goal is to remove all the dead layer of the skin, unclog all the pores and give you a much more shinier, ruddy skin and make it more bright. So in this step, we are going to reveal your glow. How? So we are going to include 3 products. First, use an exfoliant. Exfoliant means these are the products which actually loosen up the dead skin. They can be AHA, like your glycolic acid and lactic acid, or they can be BHA, like the salicylic acid. All these products, when applied in the form of cream, ointments, in the form of face wash, can help you to remove and unclog all the dead skin cells and the pores so that you get a much more clearer skin. The exfoliating cream, alpha hydroxy or beta hydroxy, twice a week only. Post that, we are going to use the brightening cream. Icoric acid, licorice, vitamin C, and arbutin. These are great brightening agents which can be used on the alternate days. So again, them will be twice a week. And third will be once a week clay mask. Clay or charcoal pulls out all the impurities of the skin, makes your skin much more softer, supple, and even. So 3 products to be added in week 2 which are making your skin much more softer, clearer, healthier looking, and of course you have no dead skin so that you reveal your glow on week 2 itself. Wait for week 3. I'm excited to introduce week 3. So you've done with your glowy week 2. Let's come to week 3 wherein we are repairing and strengthening your skin. That's an extremely important step because strengthening means your skin quality, the firmness of the skin. And that is why I want you to add 2 more products, or maybe rather 3 more products. Retinol, which is one of the most anti-aging powerful ingredient. I want you to use that twice a day in a minimal concentration. And if in case you do not know what's retinol, how to use it, please refer to our video on retinol and guidelines where I've given you everything about retinol so that you can introduce. Second, peptide-based moisturizer. Peptide is again a protein. It is needed to build your skin fat, to strengthen your skin. So peptide-based serum or peptide-based moisturizer can always be added, and that helps in strengthening the skin. Third is an under-eye cream. The early signs of aging or tiredness can be seen under the eye, so you can use a lightening or a peptide or a retinol-based under-eye cream at night. Maybe alternate night would be good. So 2 times retinol, 2 to 3 times peptide, and maybe 2 to 3 times under-eye cream will be great to begin your repair and strengthen the skin, which is a long-term vision for your skin health. Once we've gone through all the 3 weeks, let's go on to the final step. This is the week 4, wherein in fact it gets more simpler because all the hard work we've already done in the first 3 weeks. Here you have to just pamper your skin by doing some facial massages with your favorite moisturizing cream, maybe with your hands or maybe with your jade roller or maybe gua sha, whichever is your tool. So you can do facial massages because that improves the blood circulation to the skin and it also helps in penetration of your massage cream. Second, good overnight masks. Hydrating masks, anti-aging masks are available in the form where you can use it for overnight, which will be like a deep hydration. What will it give? Glowing skin, healthier skin, lesser breakout, and your skin looks much more youthful. So guys, this is my 4-week plan to get your skin renewed back and a great transformation to see. If in case you have not started, let's start now with these simple steps which I've just told you. I want to track your progress. If you've not been on any skin journey, let's start. DM us and we'll be happy to help you in your progress, and let's get you there because your skin needs the best version.
But here's the real question. Are you somebody who's going to follow this 4-week challenge and get the skin transformation? If you are somebody who's starting it right today, then DM us and share your progress, and we'll be happy to help you if in case you come up with some other orders. DM us, tag us, and we definitely track your progress.